Sige na.
Our tale of the tape for this heavyweight fight. Here she is, the Yamasaki, our referee here tonight. Brandon Vera, Brock Lesnar. And here we go. Brock Lesnar did make UFC history when they had to special order his gloves.
Wears a 4XL glove. The regular XXL didn't fit, XXL didn't fit. He had to make special gloves for those gigantic lunchbox fists.
Trying with a kick. Trying to punish the midsection. Joe looking for the takedown here. Again, the takedown is stopped. Trying to come around with the left. These guys are just blowing. Are you kidding me?
Like a movie, Mike.
Combination, left, right. Pushing forward quickly. Both men exchanging. He's eating some punches. Body shot.
Sino yan, si Bira?
Great exchange. Both men. Toe-to-toe. Wow, two guys wounded.
Kasi pa magaling si Bira eh.
Basic recklessness and no abandon. Bottom of the bridge of the nose. Jab, jab, and the right. Oh, caught right there from the left hand jab. He shoots. He's got the single, and he's down. Joe, when Brock takes you down and gets on top of you, he can wear you down quickly.
Yeah, you're talking about an NCAA All-American champion wrestler, and he's 285 pounds.
Listen to this building, Fighter. Is this any good or what? Under 2 minutes remain.
Duguan na si Bira oh.
Getting a front fist when you're on the knob. Under 90 seconds remains in the first of 3 rounds.
Yan na, suntok, 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 suntok. Sige, huwag mong tigilan. Patay. Challenge, challenge.
Here's Bruce Buffer with the official decision. Round number 1. Joe, Brandon Vera met his wife at the gym. His wife, Carrie Vera, is a kickboxer. The family trains together, stays together, Mike. Pushing forward quickly. Gotta keep those hands up. Good combination. Nice combination here. Oh, stumbling that time. He's eating some punches. Trying to come around with the left. Oh, caught it right there. Caught a left, pardon me, jab. Eats a jab. Oh, he's down. Nice left hands. And a right cross. He decides to let him up. An elbow. Takes a couple to the body. Nice kick. Trying to get it. Nice job. Double leg. Another hammer fist. And he let it go. The crowd responds. Look at the isolate.
Nako. Nako, patay. Ay, lupit, galing.
It's well documented wrestlers don't like to be on their back. Brock Lesnar, national champion in wrestling.
Well, he has to be careful. He has to make sure that he doesn't leave his legs behind like he did with Frank Mir and get caught in a knee bar. But the thing that Brock Lesnar has going for him is tremendous power. And
Trying to set up a submission. 2 minutes remains in round number 1.
Back. Please.
Lost it.
Wala eh.
Body shot.
Yan, taas pa ganyan. Tibiran mo to.
Stays postured up. Incredibly strong is Brock Lesnar. He uses that strength and his weight to really wear down his opponents.
yeah, his excellent wrestling makes for some vicious ground and pound.
Just controls the arm.
Hindi ka na pa ganyan.
Nako, patay.
Escape.
Lets him up.
That kick that
malakas sa sipa,
Snap.
hindi naman ito. Sa sipa.
He's got the double underhooks. Round one has 30 seconds remaining. Oh, they're just through. Oh, they're exchanging here. 15 seconds on the clock. Oh, that one hurt him bad, Mike. Oh, he's in big trouble. He's hurt badly. He's down. He's going to look to finish here, Joe.
Nakasurvive pa.
Awesome conviction.
Oh, si By the Bell.
Let's take a look at some of the...
You don't get the takedown, you go back to the strong. That's what we can.
The beautiful lead gets us set for...
Yung espada yan, nasa katawan, no?
We are set for the start of round number 2. This fight's scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. Joe Brock Lesnar is so much...
Hindi malakas na ano eh. Tapos pagbubuhat ka, hindi naman ito nakabaan. Tapos pagkakapalit ka, tulog-tulog lang. Ito na nga sa sipa lang. Magsarado.
The veteran voice of the Octagon, Bruce Buffer, has the official Lesnar.
Rematch yun.
This fight is...
Kaya Nyet, under na yan. Tingnan mo nga. Explain mo na kasi.
Oo, basta naging ano yan po.
Ulitin mo na lang kung ano, matapiling mo. Paano nga gano'n.
Kumakulan eh. Tabingi ako eh.
Parang mo doon. Hindi ata nakawala mo ito. Nakawala mo doon.
Nakikita mo ba?
Gulo.
Light heavy kayo.
Ano, may kuha-kuha pa kasi tayo.
Dapat po sumula pag ang nilalaban niya. Yan.
Wala.
Our table tape for this fight, heavyweight
Ayan,
fight.
naka-play na yan.
And now with the official
Naka-play na ba yan?
introductions of our fighters,
Naka po.
Bruce
Yan,
Buffer.
naka-play na yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first. And now, and when the action begins,
Ariani in attendance here tonight, our UFC Mario Yamasaki, our referee.
Masaki ah.
Mauricio Shogun Hua, Forrest Griffin, and here we go. Joe, it's been well documented that there are some major rule differences between competing in Pride and competing in the UFC. And Shogun Hua is one of those guys who has to overcome those rule differences because he's not going to be able to do some of the things he did successfully in Japan. That, and he also has to avoid some of the things that... Looking for a submission. He's isolating the arm. Hook the arm, lay across the face. He's going to pull it up. Extend the hips.
Sana nawawala ito lang.
Tama na!
Oo, ano nga, talo ka.
Tama ka agad! Ilang segundo pa lang.
Take a look at the replay, Joe. And the
Play,
key, as you pointed out before, is the fact that he was able to use his hips to really increase the power of Tito Ortiz. Forrest
Tito
Griffin.
Ortiz.
And here we go. While the fights weren't as competitive as we would have hoped, the war between Tito Ortiz and Ken Shamrock, oftentimes the war of words, still one of the best in UFC history.
Well, Tito Ortiz has always been the best at hyping up a fight, talking smack, and also for the t-shirts that he wears after the fight's over, making fun of us.
Crowd reacting. Tito Ortiz, Ken Shamrock, one of the greatest trilogies in the history of the sport. And what we saw when Tito got into this position was some vicious elbows.
When Tito Ortiz gets on top of you and has you pressed up against the cage, you are in a world of hurt.
Pushing forward quickly. Shoots.
He takes him down again. Back to side control.
Body shot. Joe Tito Ortiz. He's one of the few guys who don't mind being in the guard because he can't ground and pound and finish. Joey's going to try to work for promoter, it looks like. Beautiful escape. Under 3 minutes now. Richard Williams. And they're going to stand him up. Joe, let's see what happens here. He's going to look for a takedown, I think. Headshot! Midway through round number...
Ay, nako. Patay.
He's trying to set up a submission here. Very nice escape. Great job avoiding the up kick. Side control now. Little ground and pound. Trying to ground and pound. He's eating some punches. Nice left hand.
69 sila.
Chooses to go back to side mount. Ground and pound. Trying to rain down some strikes. Raining down punches. Keep him busy. Beautiful. Oh! Looking for the takedown. How is he surviving? Jones, you know Ortiz is put on his back. He's got that unique way to make big arms and hands and things like that. He's very aware of what his opponent's doing and keeps his composure very well. He's been in so many tough fights. He's really compensated for his defense.
Hindi na kilala oh. Ipatay na oh. Ayun oh. Ayun po. Ayun.
Isa pa.
Lilag pa ako.
Sa bato ko naman.
Okay.
Nalaglag yung biyang.
Bruce Walker has the official decision. Ladies and gentlemen.